So here we have a Lennox Pulse 21 furnace from the mid 1990s installed here at work. And I thought I'd just start it up and let you all hear what it sounds like. I'm not going to take the panel off this one because it's kind of hard to get back on. It's not super difficult, but just kind of a pain. And two, you're not going to be able to see anything on the inside. I can hear the inducer. And there she is started, she is ignited. So as I was mentioning, inside these Pulse furnaces, there's a little cast iron chamber, and it basically mixes the gas, some air, and a spark, just like an internal combustion engine. And it basically does that many times a second, and that's what makes that sound. It's called pulse combustion, or that's what Lennox called it. These were incredibly efficient furnaces for their time. The first ones came out in the mid 80s and they were like 96% efficient. That was unheard of for that time. And there's our blower. This furnace, the York that I just videoed, they pretty much had the same exact furnace in there. It was just a little bit bigger since it covered most of our building. This one still covers part of our building, just a smaller part. This one will probably get replaced in the next year or two, even though it still works fine. The air conditioning unit for this one also has some leaks. Never really worked since I've been here, at least. So they'll probably tear this system out too and replace it maybe with another York or maybe with another brand. I'll go shut her down. Not really much interesting to watch there. As soon as I pressed the button, I could hear the pulse combustion stop instantly. These were, like I said, pretty nifty furnaces. They are a pain in the ass for HVAC technicians because these furnaces weigh a ton. I remember when they put that York in, and they were taking out the old Pulse. It took 3 or 4 of them to move the furnace because it was just so heavy with the cast iron, combustion chamber. There's also some other like expansion area and obviously a massive secondary heat exchanger in there. So these furnaces are just a pain to move. A lot of technicians don't even really like working on them. I like them. They're just a very interesting furnace, and for their time they were incredibly efficient, fairly reliable. So yeah, I'll let it shut off here. And these furnaces also used a fan limit control. At least this one and the one we used to have before the York, they both had fan limits instead of like a electronic timer for the blower. And there you go. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.